Today we're going to continue adding integers. So in the last video we learned how to add integers two different ways. You learned how to add integers using a number line and then the phrase same sign sum, different sign difference. That's the phrase I'm going to use through this whole video. Same sign sum, different sign difference. This phrase tells you when to add or subtract integers. So if they're both signs are positive or both signs are negative, you're adding. If you have one positive and one negative, you're subtracting. So let's try a few problems. 8 plus 3, 8 plus a negative 3, negative 8 plus 3, and negative 8 plus a negative 3. I'm going to use this phrase even though I know you know what 8 plus 3 is. Do you see that this is positive and this is positive? I'm ignoring the plus sign. This is positive and this is positive. Because they're the same sign, you're adding. Here I have a positive and a negative. Because I have different signs, I'm subtracting. 8 minus 3 is 5. The bigger number is positive, so my answer is positive. Again, I have different signs. I have a negative and a positive, so I'm subtracting. The bigger number after taking the absolute value is negative, so my answer is negative. Here, both numbers are negative. They have the same sign, so I'm adding. They're both negative, so my answer is negative. Let's try another round. 4 plus 9, 4 plus a negative 9, negative 4 plus 9, and negative 4 plus a negative 9. Push pause and try those now. Okay. Same sign sum, different sign difference, so I subtract. Then bigger number is negative, so my answer is negative, or I can refer to it as money. I have $4, but I owe my mom 9, so I still owe her 5. Different sign difference, so it's subtraction. The bigger number is positive, so my answer is positive, or I owe my mom $4, I have $9 in my bank, so I have 5 left over. Same sign sum, they're both negative, so my answer is negative. I owe my mom 4, I owe my dad $9, so I owe 13 altogether. Okay, so I'd like you to practice integers with someone from your family using this game that's similar to war, so you're going to need a deck of cards. All of the cards are going to be worth what's on the card, except the ace is going to be worth 1, and then the jack, queen, and king are going to be worth 10. And then you're going to have some red cards and some black cards. The red cards are going to be negative, and the black cards are going to be positive. Okay, so you're going to take a deck of cards, and you're going to shuffle them. Here, let me have these. You're going to shuffle your deck of cards, so I'm just going to take my deck of cards, and I'm going to shuffle. And then you're going to divide your deck evenly with however many people are playing, so I'm just going to divide them. Mr. Kessel's going to play this game. Okay, so when I'm playing, I'm going to keep my cards face down. I think I might have just gave you 2 cards. Okay, so I'm going to keep my cards face down. I'm not going to look at them ahead of time. Same with the person that you're playing with. So I'm just going to keep my cards right here. And then at the same time, we're going to reveal our cards and we're going to add them together. So he has a black card and I have a black card. So they're both positive. This is 7 plus a queen is 10. So whoever says the answer first gets to keep the cards. So I'd say 17 and he would be like, yeah, okay, yeah, it is 17. You keep the cards, and we would keep going. So we're both going to reveal. He has a positive 9 and I have a negative 7. So 9 plus negative 7 is 2. Or you can think of it, negative 7 plus 9 is still 2. So I got it right. I'm going to keep the cards. The first person to say it right gets to keep the cards. Negative 1 and 4 is 3.
3.
I said said it first, so I get to keep it. So eventually you're going to be going faster.
1. -7.
Okay. Eventually you're going to get to the bottom of the deck.
-1.
So stop for a second. Eventually you're going to get to the bottom of the deck. So let's say we got through all these cards, and I have a pile of cards, and the person I'm playing with has a pile of cards. You can either count to see who has the most cards, and they're the winner, or you can keep going. Shuffle your cards, and then keep going until one person has all the cards, and the other person doesn't have any, and they're the winner.